You're looking at a 1953 Sunbeam Alpine that's been totally re-engineered for today's driving conditions. I'm going to show you this morning some of the things that we've changed on the car. I'll talk a little bit about the engineering changes right now. The car has a 3.4 liter Chevy V6 motor, crate motor, brand new, with all Edelbrock speed equipment. It's mated to a 5-speed transmission, and the running gear consists of coilover suspension, front and rear, all adjustable, 4-bar rear end, and tubular front end included. Rack and pinion steering kind of finishes it off as about as modern a car as you're going to come up with. We kept it as vintage and English looking as we could, but also with some special subtle changes that we think gave it a different but very subtle look. Most of the changes to this car in terms of its looks compared to a stock car take place right up front. Instead of the vertical bar grill and the horizontal bar air vents that all these cars have, we've switched this over to a polished stainless steel mesh. We finished off the grill with a nice vertical chrome bar that's actually the side trim piece off of a Sunbeam Tiger. Okay, so now let's take it for a drive. Okay, now we're going to look over the engine compartment of the Alpine, starting of course with the 3.4 liter V6, a nice compact little engine even though it does produce 200 horsepower and 200 torque. like I mentioned, hooked up to a 5-speed, makes this car lighter than it was stock and of course much more powerful. We've tried to keep everything inside here otherwise pretty much in its original format. We're using the old Girling style brake and clutch reservoirs, a nice plain little battery. We've got all the original tags and so forth on the firewall. Okay, in addition to what we were talking about with the V6 General Motors engine, it comes with an available Edelbrock Performer package, which includes the aluminum manifold, a special performance camshaft. It also has Hedman headers, and we're running a 390 Holley carburetor. Well, that was a great run through the mountains today. I hope everybody enjoyed us showing off the Sunbeam Alpine. It was a great day to be out. We think we put together some good videos for you. We hope you enjoyed it.